Hello everybody. This video is a bird watcher's dream come true. I was driving by with my family through downtown El Cajon, California, and I saw these green parrots. Not one or two, I mean hundreds and hundreds of these green parrots sitting and singing, and they were like at least in 4 or 5 different spots. Some were sitting on the trees, some were sitting on the electrical wires. So I made first I'm going to show you exactly in a map where it was, so you can go there, drive yourself, and if you're lucky you might see them as well. And then I'm going to show you the actual footage. Now these are, I believe, seasonal birds that they migrate to somewhere else, maybe South America. So this is the best time to catch them and see them right now in summertime and end of summer, beginning of fall, and so on. So here's where I found these birds. This is your downtown El Cajon. So if you zoom here, let me zoom here. This is basically the actual downtown where the main street is. So I need to find Main Street right there. So this is the main street, and this is the courthouse and all that. So I was parked right here, and the electrical pole where I saw these were right here. So I'm gonna zoom right here and show you where I saw these. And let me get the little man so I could show you exactly where I saw these. Okay, so I'm gonna turn. And this is the electrical pole where I saw these birds. Amazing, amazing. So I'll let you watch the video. And if you like, you could go there yourself and watch them. All right, thank you. Okay, so we have a group of green parrots. Look at that. Look at these green parrots. What?
There should be a scene for you too, okay?
Huh.
So don't add that into your video.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thanks.